Oppo is also in the race of flagship smartphones, so Oppo launched new smartphone named Oppo A1 Pro with a beautiful curved display and the great prices. The main highlight of the Oppo A1 Pro is its screen. It flaunts a 6.7 inches centered punch hole curved OLED display. The curved screen also comes with a touch sampling rate of 360 Hz and has a pixel density of 394 ppi. The FHD Plus panel offers 10-bit color depth, 120 Hz refresh rate and 950 nit peak brightness level. Under the hood, the smartphone houses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 LPDDR4X RAM. The device boasts ColorOS 13 based on Android 13. It features an in-display fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, support 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card, and a micro SD card slot could be used, and NFC 2.2 storage for contactless payments as well as transit passes. It draws power from a 4800 mAh battery with support for 67-watt fast wire charging. This device can be charged 80% in 30 minutes, according to advertised by Oppo. Last but not least, the phone measures 7.7 mm in thickness and weighs 171 gram with 4800 mAh battery. For photos and videos, the Oppo A1 Pro 5G carries a dual rear camera setup that houses a 108 megapixel primary sensor with an 84 degrees field of view. The camera setup also includes a 2 megapixel macro shooter portrait lens with an 89 degree field of view. The smartphone comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front with an 82 degrees field of view for selfies and video chats. The Oppo A1 Pro is offering you great camera features that will let you take amazing shots and videos, even in low lights. In the configuration department, there is some powerful hardware that ensures users will complete all of the tasks with ease. The last, there is also a large battery and beautiful display so that users get non-stop entertainment in high quality.
ये वीडियो मैं फ्रंट कैमरा से बना रहा हूँ। इन दोनों में जो है वो 4K सपोर्ट का ऑप्शन नहीं है फ्रंट कैमरा से वीडियो बनाते वक्त, तो दोनों में जो है ये 1080 पे वीडियो बन रही है और रिज़ल्ट कुछ ऐसा है इन दोनों का। अभी मैं घर में हूँ और अभी रात हो रही है और मेरे घर के नीचे जो है वो ये बिल्डिंग को लॉक किया हुआ है क्योंकि इस बिल्डिंग में एक वायरस होने की वजह से हम सबको यहाँ पे बंद कर दिया गया है। अब ये कल तक खुलेगा, तो सोचा कि मैं घर में ही वीडियोस को रिकॉर्ड कर लूँ। Realme के अंदर जो है 4K रिकॉर्डिंग का ऑप्शन है बैक कैमरा से, मगर Oppo के अंदर 4K रिकॉर्डिंग का ऑप्शन नहीं है। अगर आप देखें तो ये जूम भी जो है Realme ज़्यादा जूम कर सकता है, और बैक करते हैं तो इसकी स्पीड कुछ ऐसी दिखेगी आपको। तो ये बैक कैमरा से इसकी वीडियो बन रही है और ये इसका रिज़ल्ट है।
Oppo A1 Pro comes in 3 color options, namely Moon Sea Black, Down Gold and Morning Rain Blue. The 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage trim is going for $254. Second variant is only $284, while the 12GB 256GB internal storage model is for $325. I wish you just like my videos and hope you to consider to subscribe to my channel for your support. Stay tuned for Oppo Reno 9 series. I will see you in the next video. Bye.